How to turn on a GOtrack Remote Control system. First, turn on tractor ignition. When tractor ignition is on, then press the green button on the smart panel and you can see the LED is flashing and brake pedals are down. Now system is ready for remote control operation, so turn on remote controller. If remote controller is connected, then you can start the engine, steering wheel, drive, etc. And now if we want to drive with the tractor manually, first we have to release pedals by pressing and holding the blue button until the fast beep is heard. So now the tractor is ready for manual operation, but still the system is on. I can start manually and use tractor manually. And again, if I want to use remote control, I have to move joystick down and system is back in remote mode. To turn off the system, first we have to release pedals if they are not released. And now I can turn on the system by pressing and holding green button. After hearing second beep, the system is off.